In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make PDF file in laptop. By the end, you will know 2 quick reliable ways to turn a document, image, or web page into a PDF without installing anything extra. I will walk you through each method clearly, explain what the options mean, and share a few helpful tips so your file looks exactly the way you expect. First, let's use the Save As or Export option. Start by opening your document in the app you created it with. This might be a word processor, a spreadsheet tool, or a presentation app. Go to the File menu, then choose Save As or Export if that's what your app shows. When the Save window opens, click Browse so you can choose exactly where the file will go on your laptop. Now look for the File Type or Format drop-down. From that list, select PDF as the file type before you save. Take a moment to confirm the folder and the file name so you can find it later. Some apps also give you PDF options like page range, quality, or whether to include comments. If you see these, set them the way you want. When you are ready, click Save. Your document is now exported as a PDF in the location you chose, and it should preserve your layouts, fonts, and images as they appeared in the original. Next, let's use the print function, which works with almost any file or web page. Open the file or web page you want to convert. Press Ctrl+P if you are on Windows or Cmd+P on a Mac. To open the Print menu, in the Printer or Destination section, select Microsoft Print to PDF on Windows, or Save as PDF on Mac. This tells your computer to print to a PDF file instead of a physical printer. Review the print settings, like which pages you want, orientation, margins, and scaling. Adjusting these here controls how the final PDF will look. When everything is set, click Print. You'll be prompted to name your file and choose a folder. Pick a clear name, select your save location, and click Save. That's it. The PDF is created instantly. A quick tip before we wrap up. After you save, open the PDF to double-check page, breaks, images, and links. If something looks off, revisit the Save or Print options and tweak the settings, especially scaling or margins, then save again. Thanks for watching.